Make your own deodorizing toilet tabs at home. These deodorizing toilet tabs are an effective and economical solution for a smelly toilet and will leave your bathroom smelling clean and fresh. If you like natural products that you can make at home with a little imagination, patience and careful attention, these little tablets will help you sanitize your plumbing and disinfect your toilet. All the ingredients we're going to be using are ecological and safe for the environment. We also can't forget to mention how much money you save on cleaning products. Let's give them a try. Deodorizing toilet tabs for a smelly toilet. We must keep in mind that the bad odors coming from the toilet can be due to a number of reasons. Here are a few examples. The condition of the seals between the floor and the toilet. Sometimes, if a quality seal wasn't used, it may crack and allow odors to escape. The flapper located inside the toilet tank is another cause we should also be aware of. Check the overflow and drains. Sometimes, there may be standing water which can be a source of bad odors. When fighting odors in the bathroom, it never hurts to inspect the plumbing. Afterwards, we can take advantage of this simple home remedy to help keep our homes healthy and clean. How to make deodorizing toilet tabs. Our goal is simple, and inexpensive and easy to make products that's safe for the environment. We all know that the majority of cleaning products, like detergents and soaps, contain noxious chemicals that are not only harmful to the environment, but to our health in general. Remember that these deodorizing toilet tabs need to be kept out of the reach of children. To children, they might look like marshmallows or candy, so it's best to keep them out of the reach of their tiny hands. Ingredients: 1 cup baking soda, 6 tablespoons lemon juice, 1 1/2 tablespoons white vinegar, 1 1/2 tablespoons hydrogen peroxide, 2 tablespoons tea tree essential oil. Directions: First, find a medium-sized plastic bowl to combine all the ingredients. Start by adding the baking soda. Use a fork to mash any lumps. The baking soda will effectively deodorize the toilet and pipes. Then, add the lemon juice. Citric acid is a powerful cleaner with many incredible uses around the home. The following step is simple, and the white vinegar. This compound disinfects and instantly neutralizes bad odors. Our goal is to mix all of the ingredients thoroughly, then press them into shapes. See pictures. Now we'll add the hydrogen peroxide. We need to be careful here. The idea is to add a little at a time, drop by drop, never all at once, as it could cause a reaction. The last thing to do is add in the essential oil. In this case, we'll be using tea tree essential oil because of its natural disinfecting and antimicrobial properties. However, you may choose any essential oil you like. Once we have all the ingredients thoroughly blended together, we can do two things. Use a measuring spoon to press the mixture into tablets. Use molds to create cool shapes, like stars and hearts. Once you've shaped your tablets, let them dry overnight so that they'll retain their shape. The tablets are ready for use after drying overnight. To use, all you have to do is toss one into the toilet and flush. Instantly notice the fresh, pleasant fragrance as these compounds go to work on your pipes. The effect will last for up to 3 days. Are you ready to try them out?